tried it, which is super disappointing. But if we don't find it, we will try to find something else. Having to walk around with our big backpacks on, and we put raincoats on them because it keeps raining. But we got to haul these around because our flight's in about, what, 3 hours? So we're just coming to grab some lunch and then we're off to the airport. This is such a cute little town. I love the architecture. It is just so beautiful and so quaint, right?
It's amazing, yeah.
Really nice.
Phuket Old Town is a bustling town, I must say.
Yeah, it's very vibey. Like, there's a lot of people everywhere, and you see the shops. There's beautiful little, like, unique cafes. Just everything about this place is just so beautiful. Like, it's just different. Like, you don't even think you're in Thailand. You're like a completely different place.
Old Town is well known for its brightly painted townhouses from Sino Portuguese.
Oh, the Sino Portuguese.
Sino Portuguese.
So that's based on the colors that they've chosen. So really, really beautiful. It kind of sticks through the whole of the Old Town area, like all of these type of colors. You know, lots of yellows and blues. Beautiful. Lots of pastel colors as well. Absolutely stunning. We're struggling to find the food that we've been looking for, so we might have to improvise and try something else. Pink Town, how cute! Well, Pink Street, so pretty. Restaurant on the side. We unfortunately couldn't find the Khao Soi, which we were really looking forward to finding, but anyway, that's fine. This place is very cute. So I've just ordered a tom yum noodle soup, and Jason got a Massaman, which are also very popular Thai dishes here in Thailand.
Massaman for me is always good.
It's a very good dish.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Normally they have like peanuts, but see this one doesn't really have peanuts inside. It looks so good. It looks very hot too.
So this is mine. I've got my tom yum soup with glass noodles.
This is how you eat food if it's like a soup kind of food. You take your rice.
Not everyone has to copy Jason.
Yeah, copy me, right? This is the way you should eat it. Then you collect that soup into your spoon. Make sure it's not hard to put in your tongue.
Good.
It's good. It's spicy too.
Very spicy?
No.
Okay.
A little bit. It's a nice spice though.
That's good. Put it up there. Probably not supposed to do it like this because I should be getting all the soup.
How was it?
So good.
So good. Spicy?
I asked for no spice.
Ah, smart.
So good. 10 out of 10. Banger.
Good. Oh yeah, that food was so good. So delicious. My mouth's like burning, but I mean it's burning in a good way. So delicious. How's your food still? So good. Alright, so we are done here now and we're just gonna take another walk around and see the other shops.
That's it. We are finished here at Old Town and now we're gonna go to the airport and go back to Bangkok. So if you guys like the video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.